Hello guys, here we are again. This is a new soundbar from Sennheiser. This is Ambeo Soundbar Mini. It's the, let's say, the most inexpensive soundbar from Sennheiser. It's just released 2023, September time. Ambeo Soundbar Mini, Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, and the MPEG audio system, this is a European one from a German institute. So let's do the unboxing. As you can see, soundbar of Sennheiser is packed in a eco-friendly box. So company is not using any foams or plastic materials, just paper, and that's it. So this is a nice approach from Sennheiser in order to protect the planet, I mean. So we have one box here which has this accessories, Ambeo soundbar, the manual, quick start guide, one HDMI to connect it with your television. Then we have another box here with a power cable and the remote control. The remote control is this one. Let's do the proper unboxing of the remote control. So it's very solid, very nice, very, good. It feels good on my hand. So this is the battery of the remote control. It's easy to install it. So the remote control has a voice, night, Ambeo mode, source, volume, movie, music, news, sports, and natural and adaptive modes. So now inside we can see the sound bar. So let's do the unwrapping here. It's not like the big Max model. This is the mini model. It's wrapped beautifully in a thick paper for protection. So this is, guys, the soundbar Mini, new model for 2023. I have put it on a turntable here, so to check it all around, to see it, how it looks like. So it fits this television here. It's 55 inch, so fits underneath easily. So this soundbar is not for big TVs, let's say. I don't know how it plays. It's not for 65. Probably the sound is for 65 and 75 and 98 inches. But the physical size is for, let's say, 45 inches and above. So we see here the edge has curves. It's covered with a cloth. It's covered with a cloth. Here we have plus and minus for the volume. On off probably this one, or the mic. So it has built-in microphones to not only for the voice assistant features, but for calibration as well. Bluetooth, these are attached one, and source selector. In front we have a cloth here for a cover. And underneath we can see, let's check the inputs and the outputs. So we have the mains here. We have one HDMI with ER to connect our television. This is the USB-A for that says 90 volts, 5 volts, 1 ampere, probably to charge our device or to play music files. And this is to set up. Let's remove this protection tapes here. Special nests, let's say, screws that they will help us to install the soundbar on the wall. So we'll remove this tape as well. So we're trying to deep unboxing the soundbar because I don't know how many drivers or how many, let's say, channels is. I can see that there is a driver here which is thick, you see. Then there is another one, front one, firing front, forward. and there is one more firing, you know, on the side, on the walls. So we see a nice execution here. Even this soundbar is mini. It's not a mini like other companies, it's a big one. Especially from this driver, which serves as a woofer as well. So we can see here the cabinet, it's kind of metallic, thick plastic. You see, every channel has its own you know, sub cabinet here. This driver has its own cabinet. This one, another cabinet. And the big one here, which is the bass and the ceiling Dolby Atmos driver, it has its own cabinet here. There is a whole space here for the bass, guys. So the manufacturer puts this material here for absorption. So here we can see some electronics. Underneath this heatsink is the processor, the key processor. Then on the top there is another board, this one, that has the inputs and the outputs. You see here. Even this cable here, this cable is covered with a special absorbing material. And these cables here are going to the other side. We have one side like this, and the other, if we remove the cover here, it's like this. It's a totally closed system. There are no ports, no bass reflex, these kind of things I can see. Just a closed system, two of them, one on the left and the other on the right. In front here we have some indications. This is the display. You see back here we can see the driver, one of the driver, which is this one, guys, here. It's a full range driver. Another one, I think the same size model, it's on the side. This soundbar compared to the others is the metallic chassis. There are metals in some parts. You see down there the boards are using a metal platform, let's say, stand, chassis. The same, the cabinets here are, let me check. Are using metal cabinet. So this is a plus. I have seen no metal to any other soundbar so far. All others are using plastic, thick or, you know, special material, special plastic. But this Sennheiser AMVEO Mini is using metallic, a lot of metallic parts. I don't know what kind of metal is this, but it looks good. You see the side channel here on the side. So we have, in total, we have 6 drivers, 3 per side. This one serves as a woofer, so probably the soundbar is 2, 3, 4. If we count this as a woofer, 4.2, and again as a Dolby Atmos up-firing driver. But there is no up-fire driver there. So this is totally woofer. This is a woofer, guys. So there is no driver that is firing up. You see? The upside, this side of the soundbar is totally closed. So all the drivers are firing in front and on the side. So we have one in front, one on the sides, the corner here, and 2 subs. So the soundbar is, let's say, 1 channel, 2 channels, 3, 4, it's 4.2.0. So we did a major update of the firmware of the soundbar, and now we are reaching this more level. Chromecast is compatible. So if we have an external subwoofer Ambeo one, we can connect. The soundbar accepts up to 4 Ambeo amps. or connect a wired subwoofer. Okay, this one does not accept a wired subwoofer, but accepts wireless. No, I don't have a room calibration. We have room calibration. That's very nice, guys. Continue room calibration. Start calibration. So we see this on our smartphone, and the soundbar is getting ready for the calibration. What is happening? So when we do this, it's good not to be in the room, but now for the video I have to be in the room. Our soundbar is ready, so the app now is finished as well, all the adjustments. We have firmware update, if we like, but we have updated. Ambeo Soundbar Mini, volume for the TV, echo mode, then we have Ambeo on and off. We have even a demo experience. Let's put some music on. So some other demo, Dolby Atmos. So guys, the soundbar is not that very bad, as you can hear. So the modes that we have is adaptive, music, movie, news, neutral, sports, edit says here. So we can edit the modes. This is EQ mode, so we can increase or decrease some regions, frequency zones, low, mid, clarity, brilliance. So if we go to, this is the adaptive, if we go to music and press edit, we do the same. Light, regular boost, and then a foundation, low, mid, clarity, brilliance. So we can adjust this graphic, let's say, equalizer. Demo we did. We have nice night mode, voice enhancement, system calibration if we would like to do it again. No, we don't like. And then we have all these aspects. Spotify Connect. Here are the codecs that this soundbar plays. We have Dolby settings. So it's a very extensive menu here. I have seen it in any other soundbars. Even the LED lights we can switch off. So now we're doing a test here. We're trying to listen to the Dolby Atmos Netflix clip from Lost in Space.
Judy did the hard part. The study.
By using Ambeo off, if we like Ambeo on here.
All that matters.
Movie.
We're through.
This is the settings now.
That's why we left. I wanted to find a home that was worthy of. We're gonna make it.
Now we're increasing the volume.
Of course we are. Every problem has a solution.
That's all, folks. That was the deep unboxing of the new Ambeo Soundbar Mini from Sennheiser. Nice concept, nice approach. It's not expensive. It's 800 euros the price. So it deserves to give a listening session to this soundbar. Thanks for watching.